So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 8th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So we didn't see prices head back down towards that 64.20. What we did see was that we did see the move back above the 65.60. Found support lows here in the market. Let's just see where we were. So we did find support in and around the 64.26. So it's in around, it's pretty close to that area. We did see price break back above the 64.75. What's happened here? Just bear with me a second here. So we did see price break back above the 64.75, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum take back, see us trade back above the 65.60. We've come in towards the 200 period moving average, and we've rejected from the 200 period moving average, and we do seem poised for a test of the 65.60 where we are at present. So if we can hold support at 65.60, we're looking for a move back up towards that 66.71. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 67.12 or possibly up towards that 67.73, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the upside on the US oil. If I ever do see this continued sell side momentum here, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the downside, if we can't hold support at the 65.60, we're looking for a retest of 64.75. Successful break from which I suppose we did find support in around that 64.20. So we'll see if we do find support in around 64.20. But ultimately, we're looking for prices head down towards that 63.76. And if we do have sufficient volatility to take us beyond the 63.76, 63.05 would be the very next level that we are looking at here on the US oil. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the US oil, we can see here we've had a pretty sharp sell-off, pullback, sharp sell-off. Now we did have a degree of indecision in the market here. We do have a series of bullish and bearish candles, but so far we are seeing the sell side momentum follow through, come back into the market. So if we can break our previous lows, we'll be looking for price head down towards a more significant level here on the daily chart in around that $62 a barrel level, where we could potentially find support, as we previously found support in around that $62 a barrel level. Failing that, we were then looking for price head down towards that $60 a barrel level, where we do have the added confluence of not only the 200 period moving average, but it's a well-established level of potential support on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. I suppose if we do see, well, I did mention levels to the downside here, but I don't think it's unlikely. But if we were to see a move to the upside, I suppose the very next level of significance would be in around that $68 a barrel level. But at the moment, it does seem, we do seem poised for further weakness here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.